everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make another DIY. Are you guys excited? Yes! We are excited. Well, I am excited. We're gonna make some macrame leaf home decor. We are going to use some macrame cord. I still have a bunch left from my last DIY using these cords. If you guys didn't see that video, make sure you check it out. I'll put a link down below. Also, we have these wooden dowels. I got this at Home Depot. They sold it in like a really long one and I cut it in half because I figured I'll probably use it again, and it was cheaper to buy a long one and then just cut it yourself. You're gonna need some type of comb. A lot of people I've seen use like the comb that they use for their dogs, but I didn't have that, but I do have a teasing comb that I used to use. So you're gonna need some fabric scissors or like some type of sharp scissors. My sister finally gave mine back. These are like some real sharp scissors that you cut fabric with. Let's go ahead and get started. Woo! We're gonna start by cutting out our macrame cord. Depending how long you want your leaf to be, we're gonna cut it that way. I think I want it. You're gonna fold it in half and then you're gonna cut. Take your scissors. Ow. Then you're gonna put it right in the middle of the wooden dowel. And it get a little tedious here. You need to cut about 40 strands, yay big. It's like it's about 4 inches when you fold it in half. 8 inches. You're gonna need about 40 of them, okay? So start cutting it now. It's gonna take a while. That's a good size, right? Let's see, hold on. Let's try it. Measure it. And snip, snip. So, how is everybody's Sunday? I hope everybody's having a good day. The weekend is coming to an end. I forget what day of the week it is sometimes because we're in quarantine. I'm just gonna grab a bunch out so then I can start snipping it faster. Maybe we'll cut like a few and then we'll see if we really need 40 or not. I guess it depends on how long you want your macrame leaf to be. Let's see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and we'll be right back so you don't have to sit here watching me just start cutting cords out. Now that we cut all our cords out, we're gonna start by assembling it onto the leaf. So I'm gonna take my wooden dowel and I'm just gonna tie this down. You're gonna do a double knot, so tie this down. Is that gonna be too short? Why do I feel like that's gonna be so short? Maybe I should make it longer. I'm gonna make it a little longer. If you make it longer and you want to snip it off later, I think that should be fine, right? Yeah, that should be good. So now I'm gonna tape it onto the table. So now we're gonna start with just one of them. You're gonna put it in half. Or no, like see the loop? You're gonna put this one through this one. You're gonna pull it over. Does that make sense? The people that do these type of things, they look so pro, and then there's me. You're gonna fold it in half and then you're going to turn the loop onto the other side. So you're gonna start on this side now. So it's back and forth. You know what I mean? Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna trim down it a little bit at the end anyways. So again, fold it in half. Then you're gonna start over on, back on the other side. So you're gonna pull it through the loop. Do you see what it looks like? It's back and forth, back and forth. So we're gonna continue. So you're gonna fold once again and then the other side. Just do it back and forth, guys. Oh, no, it's... Okay. I'm gonna pull. Why do I feel like mine's not as nice as other people's? It looks like it. Alright, so half again. Put it in half. And then we are going to put it, I think it's this side. Put it under the rope. And then you're gonna put this one through the other. And then you're gonna pull. You're gonna pull. They make it look so easy. We got 5 down. We just got like 30 something more to go. try to make it even on both sides because you don't want to trim off too much at the end. I think the macrames are really, really cute. The only issue is it's a little tedious. It's definitely a little tedious compared to other DIYs. But hey, if you're at home and you're just like watching TV or something and you just want to do this on the side, I think it's a fun project to do. And like one roll of the macrame roll gives you so much. So we finished tying all the little strands together. Tie the bottom so nothing falls out. You're just gonna double knot it like that. Okay, now this is the fun part. You're gonna start your brush and start brushing out the sides. Yeah, you're gonna start brushing out the little cords. Oh shoot. Oh no, maybe it won't work.
Doesn't work.
Oi. So pretty much the goal for this is just trying to get the strands loosened up so like it's all fluffy. If it helps if I do it myself, oh my god, that's gonna be so tedious. We're just trying to loosen up all these little strands by itself so it gets all fluffy. What the heck? This is gonna take forever. Alright, so we're just gonna have to be right back until I figure something out. I called in some reinforcement. This is getting super tedious. If you guys plan to do this, I do recommend getting pet combs to brush this out because right now we're doing it one by one. We're unraveling each rope and then like pretty much having to like pull it out and then brush it in afterwards. I think we're done with that. So let's go ahead and try to brush it out.
Yep.
Oh my god. Sorry about the audio.
Good now?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you guys next time.
Bye! Thank you! Goodbye! Yay! We made it work. So we're just gonna brush this out. See how it's nice and fluffy? I think we're supposed to do the ends too. Let's do the ends. So I'm just unraveling it like this. Then you're gonna pull out 3 strands. Wait. 3 strands like this. Okay. Do it again. We're gonna unravel and take out the strands. Like that, yeah. And then you're just gonna start brushing it out. Alright, I think it's getting there. It's definitely fluffy. It's a little thinner than I want it to be. A little bit more narrow than I wanted it to be. But it's fine. Well, it's fine. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. Make sure that the knots are still tied together so they don't unravel. I think I'm gonna make it a little longer next time. Guys, we have 2 more to go. This is just 1. This is the part where you're gonna figure out how you want your leaf to look like which parts you're cutting off. I think I'm gonna use hot glue gun. Okay, you're gonna shape it like this. Hot glue gun is plugged in. We're just waiting for it to heat up and we're gonna just glue it along. See which side you want to be the front and the back. I think they both look the same, so it really doesn't matter. Choose whatever side you want and then you glue the back end of it, okay? And you're just gonna glue it down. Right down the middle. Just like that, and then now we're gonna start shaping it. Yeah, this is the scary part. I don't know. I really want to do it the other way. Flip it over. It's kind of in the way. Let me just take that. Oh, wooden dowel out for now. Like a right? Alright, now do this side. Guys, it's looking nice. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Dude, that looks cool. Alright guys, so now that we have one down, we just got 2 more to go. It looks really cool. 2 more, okay? 2 more. So I'm just gonna take this one out for now. We're gonna do this again. Make sure you get a cord, however long you want it to be. So you're gonna cut out 2 more of these because we're making 3. Forgot I should have cut it earlier. I should probably knot this one on the top, just so it's easier to go into the wooden dowel later. Now to start snipping once again. So last time we did about 8 inches, but I think I want it a little longer because I want it a little bit more round. Maybe just a little longer. Maybe, yay big? 6 inches? 6 inches? This is totally up to you guys too. You don't have to do the same thing as I am. Again, you're gonna cut out about, I think I did 35 on the last one. So you're gonna do another 35, okay? I think I'm gonna cut out all like 70 of these because you're gonna need 35 for this one and 35 for the other one. So might as well just do it at the same time. I should have done that earlier. So I cut out all the strands for the second one and then the third one as well. So now we're just gonna start over. We're gonna start tying it to our middle strand with the wooden dowel. I was just trying to play around with different type of knots because I've seen them do a different style as well where you put 2 together somehow. The loop underneath like that, and then you're gonna take another one halfway. It goes like this. This one through here, and then this end through the other loop. Hey! There we go, there we go. So now you have like 2 like going at one time. We're gonna start over this one. I think was it this one? This side? Yeah, and then this one here. Put that loop over to this one, and then this end through this loop. We're getting it, guys. We're doing this. Then pull together. Woohoo! Yes! Just so much wow. So much wow. We're gonna alternate back and forth, okay? So we tied everything together and it looks really, really nice. I do actually like not better than the previous one, but it does take more strands, okay? You're gonna have to cut a little bit more. Now, it's the tedious part. We're gonna have to unravel all this stuff. Again, if you do have a pet's brush, you can just start combing this out, but I don't have that, so I have to unravel this myself. It's gonna take some time. We're gonna just sit here and start unraveling all this. I'm gonna have Jimmy come out here and help me with this piece too because it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while, guys. So yeah, if you guys are just, if you don't have a brush, it's totally fine. You can do what I'm doing. It just takes a lot longer, but you're still gonna get the same results if you were to use like a brush. And other people would just take a brush and start combing it out. It would just brush all this out and you don't have to sit there and unravel all of it yourself. It's a lot faster. So now that we got everything brushed out, thank gosh, that took forever to do. This one was actually really big, guys. I think I overestimated. Just gonna, oh. So I'm just eyeballing it, but if you guys want, you can like cut out like a template or draw like a design out that you would like first. Look, that's nice, right? It's so pretty. So now we're gonna cut the other side. Again, we're going to eyeball it, okay? Oh gosh, I hope I didn't cut off too much. Woo, that looks really pretty, actually. It's time to put it together. That's gonna look so cool. We're gonna put that on the wall and I will show you the end result. Hey guys, so I noticed that after I put them on the wall, they're a little droopy because there's no support in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can probably hot glue them onto like this cardstock paper so it can be a little bit more sturdy in the back. That is big enough. So you have that look like this. Try to cover up the piece of paper as much as you can, alright? You don't want that seeking through. Something like that. My bad. Oh no, I'm running out of glue. Jimmy was prepared. He got me my glue sticks. Thank you, Jimmy. See? Now there's more shape to it. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it for the other pieces as well. Look how big this one is. Okay.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air.
But you guys like the DIY. If you guys do plan to do it yourself, please send me pictures. I would love to see them. All my socials are listed down below, so make sure you check out my other videos. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't done so already. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, because I have more videos coming at your way. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you! Boom!